we tear off the sticker and twist this connector. Screw off the 6 screws. And now you can open the shelf. At the center, you see there are 2 small screws. We screw off them.
你处理的，他在哪里处理它的时候啊？对。
And now we move the middle, the inner part, this part, and pull out the cables. Remove the lock.
出来了，都这么弄。
Pull out cable.
这东西找镊子给拔一下。
You see the copper lock.
行了。
This lock.
这都是这么弄的。这下了啊。行了吧？
嗯。
然后这个把这扣出来。推。
And pull out the small pins. There is also a lock. This one, the small lock. We need to move it and.
然后拆下来了。好，这都是。
We will send you this part and with the shell and this one.
这东西拿来，然后把这个卸开。
Screw out the middle 2 small screws.
把它卸开啊。卸开啊，卸开这样子的，然后把这2个细的从这个位置插进去，不分左右啊，不分左右，随便插进去。
Push in the 2 small pins in the hole there.
卡住，卡住。
And we push them out. All the pins at the same level. If you press it, it can't go down.
然后装回去。
And connect it in the black board, plastic board.
把它拧紧。
Tighten the screw.
拧紧，然后把这个正负嘛。
There is a minus and a plus. This plus we plug in the red cable.
拽一下啊。
And this big hole we plug in the black cable. And if you move it, it can't out.
这是红色。
And the other, this is the red pins, the red cable, this one. And this side is for the black cables. And can't move them. Okay.
然后我就装上就可以了。装上就行了。
And we put the shell back.
然后上钉就可以了。
Screw in the 6 screws.